Hello everyone, we are I'm gonna be sharing all the stuff that I bought on Amazon last week. Such a random video, but I know that you guys really like to see these, so I will have everything linked in the comment section and the description bar below for y'all to easily shop. I do tons of Amazon videos, and this one does not feature my fashion purchases for me. I do have to put those in a separate video because we would be here for like 3 days. So if you like Amazon fashion videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and we'll get started with the most random one, and probably a little bit unnecessary, but I'm kind of a freak, so it's okay. These plastic wine glasses are for Thanksgiving, and I actually did a Thanksgiving tablescape video. I told y'all I had a couple more things to get, and I'm planning on showing a full reel on my Instagram of my full table setup. And I really just want everything to match. Kind of unnecessary, but when my whole entire family is here, like I do not have enough wine glasses anyway, so I was gonna have to get some more, or we were just gonna have to drink out of cups, which I don't like to do, but we are wine drinkers, so I got these plastic cups because also God forbid a toddler was to get his hand on something and like spill it everywhere. I also don't want to deal with broken glass. Usually we hold our wine glasses and we're fine, but Ezra's super tall and he can reach up on the counter, so we're just not gonna take any chances. I wanted to get matching wine glasses, so I got these that are plastic, and they actually look really decent to be plastic wine glasses. And then when it's over, I can just like throw them in the recycle and be done with it. Like I don't really want to spend a ton of time washing dishes. And I mentioned that in that tablescape video that I will link right here for you guys. But yeah, these were just like a random purchase because I wanted everything to match. Don't make fun of me, it's probably not that big of a deal, but it's my first year hosting, so I'm really excited about it. I do want to mention one fail to you guys, but a fail to me is not a fail to everyone. But a lot of you guys said that the like COS RX, the snail mucin face wash, was something I should try because I loved the serum and the eye cream and the moisturizer so much. My mom was actually the one who her exact words were, I will never use another face wash again in my life. Like she loves it that much. So I bought the face wash and it was actually a complete fail for me, and I know why. It's because of the scent. When it comes to my face skin, like I just have problem skin. I've got rosacea, oily, acne prone skin. It's just super hormonal. So I have to be very careful, and scents on my face are an absolute no-go, and that one does have a scent to it. So I got the weirdest breakouts, and sure enough, after I stopped using it and like a couple days of using my Dime face wash, the breakouts went away. So that one didn't work for me, but my mom does not have sensitive skin and it works beautifully on her. Like her skin looks amazing. So yeah, not a win for me. Again, doesn't mean it's gonna be a fail for everybody, but I did want to mention that I tried it and it just was not successful for me. This is really random, but I also got this little like spoon rest slash pot lid holder for our kitchen. I just found that I was like constantly having to lay our spatulas on the counter and like our spoons on the counter. I don't know if our spoon rest just got lost in the move or if I threw them away and just like wasn't thinking about it, but we had nothing to put our spatulas on. I will say though, the image, at least when I purchased it, like whenever I was looking at the product, it only showed one. So I bought one, but when I go back through my orders, it shows 2 of these. So just keep an eye out because I think there might be 2 packs of these. I only purchased one, but I really like it. But yeah, I don't know what happened to all of our spoon rests in this house. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen me talk about the salad. It is the salad I have made literally every day for like 2 or 3 weeks now. It's so good. I will put the recipe, like the link to the recipe video that I did on TikTok in the comment section and description bar. I also have a highlight tab saved. Really the game changer for it is that it's high protein and low calorie. But that does depend on what you add to it and how much. That's why when I like share salads, I don't really share how much of each ingredient, because when I say low calorie, that's just because of the quantity that I put into my salad. But I found a really good avocado ranch dressing from Aldi. It's one of my favorites. I like my salads shaken, so I actually bought this, and I can pre-make the salad in the morning. I can go ahead, I do count calories just again now because I'm like trying to lose the rest of my baby weight, so I do count calories, and I put dressing in here. It goes down in the little lid, and then whenever I'm ready for lunch, I can just pull this out, put the dressing in, and then shake up my salad, and I'm good to go. This may seem like overkill, but if you guys have ever whenever you're just like tossing an actual salad with your silverware, it's not, I don't know, it doesn't doesn't taste as good. I like that I can pre-make my salads. Like I'll prep my chicken ahead of time, make my salad in the morning. As soon as it's lunchtime, good to go. I officially am going to never say never again. And I like, really, because every time I'm like, oh, I just won't do it. I do it. Like I was just not about the Stanley Cups at first, and I wasn't about the Simple Modern either until I had a big spill. And a bunch of you guys were like, yeah, Simple Modern actually are like, they don't spill. So I dumped over my water one day, woke up that morning, had it like full again. Ezra knocked it over, so I was just constantly cleaning up water, and then it was like I spilled it in my car one final time. This was like 3 times in one day, and every time the water just poured out of my Stanley, and it made me so mad. Like I love my Stanleys, but oh my gosh, that's so annoying. So I got the Simple Modern. Now, straws are still straws. If you dump this thing completely upside down, water will come out because of the straw. However, yeah, there's water in here. So it actually is spill proof. So of course, again, straw, it's still gonna spill water. That's been really nice because my toddler loves to drink mommy's water, and I just have a tendency to knock it over on my own. And I was sick of cleaning up puddles and puddles and puddles of water. Now I know I've already mentioned one of these to you guys. This is the Nivea Skin Firming and Toning Gel Cream. This is really great for firming up your skin. I loved it so much. I find that I actually go through a bottle very, very quickly, but I loved it so much that I saw this little combo here on Amazon. Now I'm not sure if it's on a deal, but I saw this little like duo, and I was like, let's go ahead and grab that because I know I'm gonna need another bottle of this very, very soon. But this is actually the Nivea Nourishing Skin Firming Body Lotion. So this one has Q10 and vitamin C. This one has Q10 and I think it said L-carnitine. So different ingredients. Vitamin C is amazing, especially if you're just someone who has red skin like I do. This was another recommendation per you guys. Y'all said the mascara is something I should definitely get because I mentioned on Instagram that I don't just lose postpartum hair, I lose postpartum eyebrow hair, and I lose postpartum lashes. Like, it's just not fair how much hair loss I'm going through right now. So I mentioned how frustrating that was, and I'm still using my lash serums and stuff, but a bunch of you guys actually said that the Grande Lash, like their lash serum is great, they have a brow serum that's good, but you said the mascara is incredible because it's a conditioning peptide. And so I find that to actually be really true. This is really soft on your lashes, but it also looks really good. Like I have it on my lashes now. So I do use the Dime lash primer and then this, and then if I want like really powerful lashes, I'll top it off with the Essence, the like Lash Princess. But this is just something that I'm using for the time because it's really nourishing for your lashes while I am going through, unfortunately, losing my lashes as well. Now I have shared these with you guys on Instagram. Really, my hair has grown so much in the past like year and a half because of the liquid collagen that I've been taking, and I just found that the like average size clips that I was using, they weren't cutting it. I got these. I do think that the description looks crazy. The picture makes this clip look like it's the size of your whole entire head. So I will put a picture up here of me with the clip in my hair. You can see it's definitely big, but it's not like I feel like the product description like picture makes it look like. So I am very, very, very much so into the big clips right now. They're also easy because they just, I don't know, I just love to be able to throw my hair up, especially after a long day and if the kids are grabbing at it. But these are a little bit, more heavy. So the image is a little intimidating, but I'll put the picture up on screen so you guys can see. I absolutely love these so much, and I've just been wearing them nonstop. This is gonna be really gross, but I can't help it. For some reason, postpartum makes your body do crazy things. This go around, literally since the day I gave birth, my feet have had like calluses on them, and just never in my life have I had dry feet skin. Ever. And so it's like bad. It's a whole thing. So I got this. It is like an intense foot repair. It says visible results in 1 day, loosens hard, dry skin to exfoliate and deeply moisturize. And it's just like gross. Like I don't like feet. They're just gross. I'm not a foot person. Don't ask me why, but you know what I'm talking about. If you're someone who just finds feet gross, like I have the worst feet skin of all time, and it's simply because I gave birth to a child. Like, What the heck? And then I have a couple kid things to share, but this is actually something that my mom bought for herself and just uses on my child. I saw her using it, so I used it too. This is a spray collagen. It says it's like SARE 100 collagen coating hair A+ muscle spray. It is a Korean brand. It has all the good stuff in it and none of the bad stuff. It is safe on kids and smells like heaven. It does have kind of, I wouldn't say it's like a hairspray, but I definitely think it's a little sticky and it's kind of meant to be used when your hair is styled, but it gives it a little extra shine. So my mom, whenever she would have the boys, she would just kind of like spray it in Ezra's hair and kind of do his hair a little fun way. And I was always noticing he had this hair that just smelled so good when he would come back from my mom's. And finally I saw her use it one day and I was like, that's what that smell is. I wasn't sure what it was. So I, of course, went on and bought it. And now I'll tell him every day, I'll go, okay, Ezra, let's do your hair. And he'll lean forward. I'll spray his hair with this. And then I will style it and it will stay. And also, that kid has a really good head of hair. Now, I don't know if it's because just like genetically, I mean, he's always had just like beautiful red hair. But ever since using this, I have noticed his hair looks like a little bit shinier. And he just, I mean, the kid's got good hair. So I think this is like a bonus for it, but he's just the cutest. So Sam convinced me that I should go ahead and get the boys the ball pit. And I say the boys, it's really only Ezra at this age. We were going to do for Christmas the ball pit and then the nugget sofa. And we decided to get Ezra a bike because he likes being outside and he kind of wants to be on a bike and you can just tell. But anyway, Sam was like, let's go ahead and get the boys ball pit. I was very against it because I was like, oh, it's going to be such a good Christmas gift. You guys, I love that I gave him the ball pit so much because it's just more time. I get to see that cute little boy throw around those balls. And yes, it is an absolute disaster. The one that I have comes with 200 balls and he absolutely dumps them all over the place all the time. But he gets so excited and it is just the cutest thing seeing how excited he is in that ball pit. So if you're looking for a toddler Christmas gift, I 12 out of 10 recommend the ball pit. And again, I do have gift guides coming soon. I'm going to be doing kids gift guides, women's, men's. So if you like that kind of content and you are not yet subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button. That's a kind of an early Christmas gift idea. I just absolutely love it because it's so fun to see how much joy Ezra has on his face whenever he uses the ball pit. And then the last two honestly have just been, it's very easy to get clothes off of Amazon because I find that with Ezra, he grows really quick and I'm just kind of like, I need something. I don't want to go to the store and hunt for sizes. And I'm very particular about what I like for him, so it's just easiest to go on Amazon. I got him some packs of pants and I specifically needed the 3T. These are the Simple Joy by Carter's. 3T sizes, and I got him just a bunch of little packs of pants. And these are absolutely adorable. They're my favorite. They're camo print, but they do have little dinosaurs on them. Just sweatpants are super cute and easy on toddlers, especially this time of year. I am not bothering trying to squeeze that boy into some jeans. So I got him a bunch of sweatpants the other day and he's just been wearing them nonstop. So I wanted to link him here because I feel like whenever I go to the store, either I can't find the size I like or every single thing, although those do have dinosaurs on it, it's very subtle. Like every single thing has like a dinosaur or a car. And you can't just find like simple plain things. So I feel like I luck out on Amazon a little bit more. And then lastly, shoes. So I do need to tell y'all because I'm really mad and I would literally tell the mailman if he would listen to me. I got Ezra some New Balance shoes and I told Sam, we need to find a pair of shoes that are outdoor shoes. And I love the New Balance shoes and they're like really nice. And Sam let him play in them all day one day outside. And so those like naturally became his outdoor shoes because they were filthy. And so I was like, okay, New Balance shoes that I love so much. I will link them for y'all, but they're absolutely filthy now from Ezra. But we needed some indoor shoes that are like for when we're, he's wearing shoes when we leave the house, but they're not like covered in dirt and grass and torn to pieces. So I got these. They're actually a pretty decent price to be toddler shoes. He has his feet grow super fast. He's really tall. He's in a 7 now. So I got the black and the blue and they're fairly lightweight too. He can still take them off, but I find that it doesn't really matter what kind of shoe I put on him. He's going to be able to take them off, but they do have the Velcro on the top. So they're easy to put on. They're easy to take off. But I needed to get him some new shoes because the New Balance sneakers that I got, my husband just just let him play outside one day in them and they got filthy. And that is it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget, go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. Love you so much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.